Hi, we're here in the studio today to show you how to do our drag down lime washing technique using whitewash over north. This is a great technique to create the look of texture with white or very light colours by layering one colour over another. The first thing we do is give the paint a really good stir, making sure there's no pigment left at the bottom of the bucket. Dip the brush into the paint, approximately 1/4 of the way onto the bristles. Give a quick flick of the wrist to remove any extra paint, then we're ready to go. First, starting at the top of the wall, but away from the edge, we start spreading out the paint, blending back into the edge of the wall. We apply the paint by dragging it down, with gentle, easy but firm strokes. You don't need to do this with a lot of pressure. It should be an easy, light application while making sure the paint is spread out as far as it naturally goes. Even though we're demonstrating this technique using white over a slightly darker colour, you can layer up any colours you wish. If you're finding the paint difficult to spread out, take a separate bucket of water and dip your brush in every now and then to help spread the paint out more easily. This trick will give you a bit more workability, so you can merge and blur your strokes to create a softer look. You'll notice we don't place the brush full of paint right next to the last section. This helps avoid having to overwork the overlay area of the paint on the wall. We then merge the sections by pulling the paint edges together with the brush. We're stretching out the paint, then layering it off to smooth out the lines. Notice that we're staggering the dry lines across the wall instead of leaving it to all dry in the same line. This helps to create a natural looking textured finish. As you can see, we're really taking our time to extend the paint out as far as it will go. It's okay to apply a bit more paint in certain areas if you feel it's needed, especially when using white. One coat may be enough for this technique. If you love the look, stop there, but you can also do a second coat if you'd like to look more opaque. It should be a quick and easy technique. Don't overthink it. You can trust the process. We're after a perfectly imperfect finish.